See, we're recording right now.
Alright.
Okay?
Here we go. This is Danny. On his fast ass little mini bike. Oh! Come on, Danny. Oh shit, dude. Fucking Danny, eh?
Oh, you got the gate open, huh?
He said to leave it open. Oh, he's gonna get... Dude, this guy's gonna die on this shit.
That looks like the red dog right there. That looks like the dog.
Oh shit, fucking Daddy, dude. Dude, he goes fast on that shit. Dude, that fool goes fast on that shit.
Jack, come on. Jack. Come on, Jack.
Dad, don't go so fast. Oh shit. Dude. Daddy, you...
Dad.
Hey, Danny, you go fucking fast on that shit, eh?
On it.
Let me try it.
What?
You go fucking fast on that shit. Let me try that shit.
Mike, riding my mini bike. He's not even giving it any gas. It's spooky. You see that thing get away from me?
Yeah. Come on, honey.